So, what's up, guys? It's me. I'm gonna play. So, guys, we're gonna play. Yeah. Let's try to play in the. Let's try to play. I remember the gear tower. So let's try the old one. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. So I will be bro, it doesn't appear.
From the Philippines, detaining the travel companion to Gloria Garcia. Gloria's expired months ago.
Bro,
Is it true that you work in the
bro
household
just
help
shoot
for
me.
Jerry and Angela Wilson?
Bro, I get lag, I think.
Please answer the question. You just don't understand what happened.
I will just get the grappling hook.
Yes, sir. I was a helper.
Okay. How to get
That's
up?
not my job before. I was a school teacher in a remote town in the Philippines.
What?
We got 3 hours.
How much I'm gonna try to get the admin. Saglit.
Ano pa ba naman? Sige na. Last dismiss.
Okay, just do this in a loop.
Ingat kayo pag-uwi.
And I could buy this.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Ingat kayo. Bakit ka na? Ako na.
Look, teka. I'm gonna get money.
Basta. Nang kausap, puntahan niyo ako sa bahay, ha?
Let's get some money.
Oo, ano yan? Baon mo yan.
Either right there, either there like that. Dodge, dodge. There.
Galing sa bahay.
Let's go back up. There.
Sige. Dear John, pagkatapos ng aking 22 taon,
Money. Could we get some money?
para
Did this in a loop?
Pamilya kami ng nabili. Halos labang 2,000 piso lamang ang swerte para
It's so we could.
at hindi pa kasya sa amin.
It's so
Talagang buhay.
we get to 60 money. Or past the 6.
Oo, mga anak ko nasaan. Please, anak ko lang. Ay,
Sigurado ka na ba talaga yan sa business niya, Tess?
I just do one last.
pag pinambayad natin lahat ng
Okay,
kaya,
that's it.
edi wala